Bafethu, I think tough decisions need to be taken by coach Hugo Bros regarding the selection of Lyle Foster in that Bafana Bafana setup. Bafethu, yabona what I saw today. I'm running out of patience, Bafethu. I mean, the guy could have gotten himself a hat-trick namhlanje against the Panama. And Bafethu, yabona Panama, I think these guys, they played their B team. They can actually play football. They treated this game like a friendly, like an international friendly. But if you think these guys, they're not a quality team, then Bafethu, I think in Cape Town we're going to see the best of Panama. And Lyle Foster couldn't capitalize on the B team in Panama. Bafethu, those clear-cut chances, the guy should have taken at least 2 out of the 3. Told, if he missed one, abantu bebange bakhale kakhulu, but missing all 3 or 4 opportunities, and those were big opportunities. South Africa should have won this game probably by 4-1. Ngiyayibona leya Muremi, now it's a half opportunity. But Lawaga Lyle Foster, those are big opportunities. And if the guy cannot take those opportunities, which other opportunities will he score? Coach Hugo Bros needs to exactly explain why is this guy part of the national team. Because I don't think it's because of he's a good striker. I think it's because of he's a good person within the team. And Bafethu, I've always been against that thing. Which you selecting players based on what they are good for the group, not based on their talent. Bafethu, I always believe in football. Talent will always win you games. Yes, hard work will always win you games as well. But lento ukuthi you good with the group off the pitch and not on the pitch, I'm not for it, Bafethu, because lento engiyibone namhlanje, even if he scores next week, Bafethu, against the Panama, right? Just ifake lento enicabange njenge-AFCON, njenge-World Cup, right? Shuthi manje sizobe sithole u-3 points instead of 6 points because we should have won this game. And like we should have gotten 4 points if we put it in the context of the world.
Yazi bafethu iPanama ayazikho mnandi lezi. Ayikabi. Mara azikho mnandi mangaba ukho mnandi ayikho into esingayenza. If you check igame yePanama, they were playing a low block. 1, 2, if you check the opportunities that they created, they came as a result of our mistakes NGA defense in South Africa. One resulted into a goal, the second one bashaya ipali. But other than that, abenzanga lutho. South Africa dictated the tempo of the game. South Africa controlled the possession of the game. But when it comes to South African football, we will always complain about the same thing. I-conversion rate yethu ayikho mnandi. I mean, uzwane ushaya uModiba ngesithende simnandi kabi. Eliminates 3 players at the same time. Umdiba kumele cross or kumele shaya ipalini, Umdiba uyawa Umdiba. Okay, asiyeke kaMdiba. Kunale thuba elithola uFoster. uFoster laphayana if aphakamisa ikhanda ubona uApollis u1 ngale rolls the ball to Apollis uApollis no open net ushaya net uApollis South Africa yawina ngo2-1 uFoster ushaya directly epalini abe akwi angle engekho right for ukuthi angashaya i-decision making ayikho mnandi. That's the only problem for South African football. But the boys had a good game because you also need to understand ukuthi it's a game whereby Hugo Bros is trying to see what works, what doesn't work. And personally, I think le double pivot kaMkwena no Sithole ayikhona. Kube ngcono uma kungena uAdams second half. I think they need to stick with the Sundowns double pivot kaMkwena no Adams. It works. It's tried and tested. Right? And also uMakgopa ngimbone enza izinto engakaze ngimbone azenza kwi-Orlando Pirates. Ngibona qeda amadoda ayi2 aphuma phakathi nendawo ashaya ipass. Yabo, dropping deep, link up play, pass the ball, run into spaces. Yabo, more of that from Umakgopa because it was really refreshing to see. Great match by Austin Apollis, man of the match performance I deserve. I mean, the goal didn't come without Umudau. Umudau had to do that. He had to redeem himself because in the first half, the goal came with Iputa aliens we move. So he had to redeem himself and he did just that with the assist and Apollis. So asibona Tuesday ukuthi abafethu bazodlala kanjani, but this game was a good game, control wise, dictating the tempo wise, ball possession wise. It was a good game, but the conversion still needs to be fixed. Let's hope on Tuesday Cape Town kuzoba ngconywana. We will definitely be there.
Beating this team on Tuesday. Panama, there's nothing. There's nothing to be afraid of. How are they 30 places above us? But there's nothing here. I'm sure ball possession, I haven't seen it yet. We are in total control of that. Panama were playing only on transition and they played on our errors. Speaking of errors, Ocon and Sithole, we need to have a conversation there. I don't know, you see, Sithole, you've been playing for a while now, so like the excuses, it's going to be tough to see why you should be starting. And Ocon, maybe I can understand, Pella, he hasn't started many games, so he's probably scared and he's getting all the jitters out. That's why he's made 1 or 2 mistakes in that game. So Ocon, I can kind of forgive. Sithole, I can't forgive him. I mean, you've been playing a lot of games now. Hey, and Foster, how many chances do you need? Pella, you play in the EPL for Burnley. We need to punish. We need to punish these moments because you don't get many back in international football. Please. That's why maybe I'd even start at Makgopa ahead of Foster. Pella, Makgopa is one when he puts up a final shoot, he gets superpowers. Makgopa was dribbling. Makgopa went ta through shoot. That's not the Makgopa that plays for Pirate. It's not the same player. But yeah, overall good game. Bafana. Mudiba, you know what you're gonna get. Quality. Mudiba, just a final product. If Mudiba gets the final product right, you'll be deadly. He'll be deadly. Mukwena instrumental as usual in the midfield. Even Jaden Adams, when he came on, he was pulling the strings. We look good. We look good. We just need to fix up front. Striking force. Muremi, our police you can keep. Our police, another one, get superpowers when he puts on the Bafana shoot. You can always count on our police to deliver in crucial moments. Mushishi is not staying. Mushishi is going to the World Cup. Mushishi is going to the World Cup, Hugo Bruce. I know he's Wuma 39 there, but he's going. We are not leaving Mushishi behind because those touches first half hour, it was too much. Bafana, overall, very good game. Very good game. Obviously, like I'm saying, it's a throwaway game. So I can understand, some mistakes. Maybe early on, we weren't sinking that well, but as the game grew on, we got better with the game. So that's what I'm saying. Panama, Tuesday you are twerking, Panama. Tuesday you are twerking. After you twerk, we're going to make Mexico twerk.
Sanibona bafethu, I hope right. Hayi imnandi game. Kukuthi nje labantu laba basimoshela igame basukele eCentral America beza la bezo defend. Kodwa ke Jealous Dan basibamba istructure. Azoqelezeka ba break imntana. Yeah, mfethu be first half mfethu best dominated position mfethu create some chances. Foster gange yabona nje mfethu bona be defender nje bazo capitalize ngemistake yamdawu na imdawu bengenza kancane lapha keep ibhola bafo si defend throw in impilo iqhubeka kodwa ke ya ayithende zange first half uzwane apolice ayiweak shaw ithende amshishi bafethu right nje bafethu umshishi ukadosa kahle kusincisha kodwa ke hambe ethi ayikhona I hope mfethu kule yesibili game I hope kuzokwenzeka kancane iPanama mfethu ayifunanga ukusithatha on mfethu ayifunanga nje uqaqeka idlale nje mfethu I hope izovuleka kule game yesibili mfethu angazi nokuthi bekuwu team A noma team B indobudlala lapha kwePanama kodwa bona bekho weak ngalendlela le engizwe ukuthi kuthiwe phela bekho labantu naba kasebefika sebe defend man of the match Ocean. I 10-1 biza namaphoyisa konakele mntanama babosha abantu khipana ama-dockets police ngale nje kwegoli wina ama-foul wina ama-duels ma-passes kwi-final third uyena ama-chances acreate uyena yabona nje mfethu ngedlela right ya azamile ama-cheats abafethu angidiniwe kakhulu labantu asibazi phela yabo kodwa ke na first uzamile first uzamile shame
ucoach Bruce if ezorelaya kula ile Foster ukuthi bafana khona into ezoyiwina izo-challenger akavele khohle bafethu sengimdefende kwanele nami sengi-right kahle uFoster angazi ukuthi yona yiphi into aka-strong kuyona okudlula uMakgopa enoReynolds cause uMakgopa lesikhathi akasitholile wenzeka ngcono nolale Foster kulo 70 minutes engathi udlalile even uReynolds even athi uyangena lapha ngenza better nalento yenze olale Foster bafethu uyadinga ukuhlala phansi ake ibheke igame esebenchini ukuthi mayifakwa kube ukuthi useridile game usebonise ukuthi yini ngamele yenze because I think lesikhathi akanikwa sona siningi ngokwanele and akadeserve ukuthi engasenza engaba nalesikhathi akasenzela kuBafana Bafana. Ukuya nayo ku-World Cup yesi singaya naye siyamdinga, but ukuthi ethole lesikhathi akasitholayo ebe yi-starter for iBafana Bafana, no bafowethu. Ungayichaza ukuthi lento ukuthi iBafana Bafana yenza more than 10 shots, only 5 ube ama-shot on target, only 1 engene netini. Itshela ukuthi lo muntu oyi-striker ube bujundu, and wesiphathi ke waba ne-chance eclear mina uyenza uFoster wamista, and waba ne-chance versus ugoalkeeper mina uyashoota. I mean mina uphasa uApolice berana kwi-open net for uApolice, but they decide to shoot and la bounce kumdlali laphuma ngaphandle. Selfish okunye okwakho bafethu. And bafethu well done lapho kwePanama bafethu ngostadi iBafana Bafana ukuthi team enjani, attacker kanjani, kumele bebambe kanjani, because ihlale yathi so shanje i-mid block labantu so babamba la sebabamba nge-transition sebamba ngama-counter. Ukuyinto abayisebenzisile uma ubheka ukuthi iBafana Bafana bi-attack kakhulu ngama fullbacks abo bafethu kumdawo neModiba beya phambili ibenzani yababamba. If ubheka igoal ubona ukuthi ku-start ishiya ukuthi iBafana Bafana idlale ibhola and bayazi iBafana Bafana sekhaya and izoza all out kubona bazoyibamba ngalo uma spaces abawatholile. Only 2 shot on target, 1 belsenetin. Iplan yabasebenzi and first shot on target yabo kuyigoal ibasebenzele kakhulu. And again bafowethu ngifuna ukuncoma uMfukeng bafowethu is a super sub. Uyathanda ukuthanda, akekho umdlali engala South Africa okwazi ukwenza unokurete game njengomFukeng. Nika uMfukeng umbeke kuma stand umfake ze sub uzokwenza lo msebenzi. Lento akenze namuhla bafowethu ufika wangena wayishintsha igame, wafika noGqozi nofuqufuqu, even ama forward passes ngwabonile wakwazi ukuthi enze lo ma pocket passes and keep ama progressive passes. Engicabanga ukuthi ukube impela usheshe wangena ngabe sikhulumula uNyudaba and uApolice bafowethu and good player fighting or create a chance, and he's one of the best players for iBafana Bafana. Ukwazi ukuproducer, ukwazi ukustep up in igoal.
Hayi bafethu ngeke somdinga uReynolds ku World Cup. Abafethu mina ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, angazi because uLyle Foster yebo udlala kuBurnley ku-EPL, but bafethu hayi akasiniki next. We will need uReynolds bafethu. Imagine uReynolds sambe noReynolds sambe noMakgopa ku World Cup. Those are the best strikers in South Africa bafethu at the moment. Yebo uLyle Foster right for iBurnley, but I don't think it's good enough for iBafana Bafana. We're gonna need Reynolds.
Okay bafethu, that's it for video namhlanje. Coming into the game, I'm not really disappointed with him. Okay, I'm disappointed, but I got cool, no, because team yakumedlala mfethu always expecting a win. It draw, but I can take the draw because we've never seen the Panama play, so as bazi ukuthi banjani or how they play ukuthi it's team enjani. So we will take the draw 1-1 and hope we Tuesday now when they come out and they play and we are able to see ukuthi by team enjani and hopefully we win on Tuesday. But namanje mfethu like konke umuntu kule video mfethu we don't understand how uFoster plays ahead of Reynolds. No ukuthi uReynolds akabizwanga, we don't understand ukuthi why. Because uFoster sambona ke fkhona bra akasinikanga next. uFoster wadlala almost wadlala wonke amagame ke fkhona angasinika lutho bra. uReynolds uqeda kubuya kwi-injury manje, uyi-top goal scorer ku-PSL. Why not call him? I feel like ibhadi likaMabasa manje luwela ku-Reynolds because isquad mfethu had no reason whatsoever to drop uMabasa. uMabasa even when like ube ne season of his life, 8 top goal scorer ku-PSL, uphusa kazange ambizi. Right now uReynolds ubuyile usefomini uyakora amagoli akabizwa. Why? Yini le mfethu uFoster ayenzayo mfethu uReynolds angakhona ukuyenza or Mabasa or Makgopa? I'm not a fan of Makgopa mfethu mina. Abantu ababukele le channel bayazi I'm not a fan of Makgopa, but I play Makgopa ahead of Foster. uFoster mfethu manje bese akaqala eteamini yami mfethu. Akaqala futhi akekho nasebhenchini mfethu uFoster.
mhlawumbe mfethu ukuthi iphile vele mfethu angiyibuki ngaleyo ndlela, iBurnley angiyibuki mayidlala, angazi udlala kanjani kuBurnley, but mfethu Foster mfethu uyadliswa Foster mfethu, and lento mfethu ngisho mfethu ngiyazi ukuthi uyi-product ye-Pirates mfethu, but mfethu ayingeke mfethu. How many chances did you miss namhlanje mfethu? Bekumele mfethu like siya half time score 3-1. Yo, and like yo. But bafethu like it's yo. Yo mfethu Sting striker bafethu. Sting is striker eSouth Africa, and angazi cause ama-striker akhona mfethu esiwaziyo ukuthi ashaya isef awabizwa mfethu. Ungabuza mfethu umlandeli we-Chiefs, we-Pirates, we-Sundowns ngomabasa, bayazi ukuthi papa siyashaya isef. Ubuze umlandeli we-Pirates, we-Chiefs, we-Sundowns ngo-Rainers, sonke siyazi ukuthi u-Rainers washaya isef, but why bengabizwa laba bantu abayi-2? Why? And instead we have uMakgopa no Foster. Siya World Cup uMakgopa no World Cup vele so participate. I say we win so participate, but I'm hoping we win at least 2 games. Ngoba soyishaya vele ilokhuzana, soyishaya iMexico neKorea soyishaya. But ayi mfethu indlela esidlala ngayo mfethu ama-striker wethu ayi cha ngeke mina ngikho happy bafethu. But anyways bafethu, igame beyimnandi and I really enjoyed because like we're in control of ibhola. Bekuyithi nje mfethu like besiyibhedela uma sekumele score, but nje besimnandi bafethu. South Africa imnandi, but we need to score goals. We need goals. And that's all I can say bafethu. And thank you for wonke umuntu osubscribe so far, nalo subscribe, and everybody who comments, likes and shares my videos. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Let's keep going. And ngizonibona on Tuesday against Panama again. And hopefully we win on Tuesday bafethu.